everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm here with the lovely Bailey. And we are going to show you how to have those really cute, colourful braids. But if you can't do the feeding, it's really hard style to master. So I thought I'd show you a little cheap version today. It's very cute. So let's get going. So guys, you're going to start off by just doing an ordinary Dutch braid. I'm going to show you a little bit how to do that today. If you know how to do this bit, just fast forward and get to when I'm adding in the hair. So 3 strands, you're going to take it under the middle, under the middle, under the middle, and now you're going to add hair into this section here. So a tiny bit of hair gets added in, then you're going to go under the middle, a little bit of hair gets added in. So the one that you've taken under the middle one is one that gets added. So this one is going to go under the middle, and it's that section of hair that you've just moved that gets the hair put into it. And you can do really big sections here or really little sections, completely up to you. You can actually do a French braid here if you wanted to. I'll show you why. It's so clever. And I just want you to continue this all the way down the head. I've gone for a really nice small tight braid today. So I'm adding that one into the middle, coming back to the beginning. So this one here is going to go under the middle, add a little bit of hair. So guys, when you get to the bottom, what I want you to do is braid the 3 sections separately. So like not into one big braid. We're going to do 3 little braids, and you'll see why in a minute. Now this bit stayed a little bit tighter on my practice run, but it's gone a little bit like kind of loose at the nape of the neck. So I'm just going to tighten that up using a hair tie. Probably should have just put it in a ponytail and then done 3 plaits, but you know, you live and learn, guys, you live and learn. So this is synthetic hair. It's called jumbo braid. It is very sticky. It sticks to itself. It's a bit of a nightmare, but it looks so good. So this is obviously a blue one. I'm going to use rainbow today. You can get this off Amazon or TikTok Shop. So I'm just taking a really small section, and I'm going to take a little topsy tail. And we're just going to pull that through like that. Bring that topsy tail just a little bit further down. Do the same again. I'm just keeping them really thin at the minute. So you're going to come to the top, guys. Take these 2 sections here, and then I'm just going to take this section here as well. And you're just going to start a French braid. So I'm going to go over the middle section, over the middle section. I'm going to add in a piece of hair, over the middle section, add in a piece of hair. So just like a regular French plait. You're just going to keep on taking the sections from both sides, and you can also stop and just start to tease that out. So I've tried to like swap my hands over, guys, so you can see a little bit clearer, but literally you're just taking hold of the hair. So I've got 1, 2, 3 sections. So I'm crossing it over and adding in. Okay, so I'm to the bottom of the hair now. What I'm going to do, so I've got 1, 2, 3 strands of colour. So I'm going to divide these. So one is going to go there, one is going to come in this one, and one's going to go in that one. And we're not going to worry too much because it isn't proper feeding braids, but I'm just going to try and cover Bailey's natural hair as best as I can without like kind of worrying too much about it. So I'm just popping in a little elastic. So as you can see, super cute, a little bit different to the ordinary feeding braids, but I think they look amazing. And I think it is a little bit of an easier technique, this one. So Bailey is loving life with the colour hair. You love it, don't you, babes?